Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram profile from your iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Instagram, and here um, on the bottom right corner, click your profile icon and select those three dots and go to Account Center and select the personal details here and select account ownership and control. And yeah, you can see two option here. Select the deactivation or deletion, and here select the profile that you want to deactivate. You have another link profile like Facebook, Instagram, just select this one. All the process are the same. I'm going to select deactivate account, or you can also delete your account. Just continue, and this will show everything that will be deactivated once you deactivate this Instagram profile. And after that, just select continue and give your password here and click continue. And the Instagram will ask you why you are deactivating. Just select one or one of the reasons that you want to deactivate for, and after that click continue here and select deactivate my account. It will automatically deactivate and go back to your login profile. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.